Start at one end of your cable and begin coiling it into a loop on the ground, approximately 10 to 12 inches wide. Layer the cable on top of each existing coil. Now be careful with this step and ensure that you've stacked each coil on top of the previous one neatly. This will help you secure your cable smoothly. When you're ready, lift the cables and insert the nylon strap through the ring of the cables and cinch down with the D-ring to secure your cables in place. Make sure each coil is still stacked neatly before tightening the strap.